In recognition of African American History Month, NASA salutes the contributions of African Americans to the cause of space exploration.
My name is James Fraction. I'm an electrical engineer at NASA Goddard Space Flight Center. One thing about this environment is that you don't go solo with many things around here, if not anything at all. I'm consistently working with the design team that I'm a part of, or even from working with the lab personnel also. There's always some type of communication between other individuals that's going on. And I'm a pretty social guy, so I don't mind that. MMS is a mission where we are in the process of designing and building 4 identically instrumented spacecraft for the purposes of using the Earth's magnetosphere as basically a huge lab. What the plan is to study a concept called magnetic reconnection. It's a process where the energy within the magnetic field of the Earth is tapped, and basically heat and kinetic energy is produced. And scientists are very curious as to exactly how this process works. So the reason we have 4 spacecraft is so that we can fly them in a tetrahedral formation. And with the instruments on board each spacecraft, we're able to actually do a 3D imaging of the magnetic reconnection events as they happen. I am a member of the CNDH, which stands for Command and Data Handling, the subsystem. I'm a member of their design team, and my particular role on MMS was to design a backplane, which essentially is a bridge that connects the multiple cards that are within the CNDH subsystem together. It was pretty challenging, and it was definitely a great work assignment. Environmental testing is done to ensure that the flight hardware will be able to withstand the rigors of the space environment. So with the projects I've worked on, it's typically composed of 3 different tests. There's the electromagnetic interference test. Another test is the vibration test. And once that passes, we go to a third round of testing, which is thermal vacuum testing. And essentially what that is a simulation of the space environment, where we put the command and data handling system into a vacuum environment, and we proceed to test the system over a variety of different temperatures. A message I have for kids out there is to make sure that their math and science skills are strong. And the last thing is just to be true to yourself. I mean, if you know that science or math or some type of, it could be any other type of major out there or type of subject out there, is something that you have a strong passion for, even if you may be a little hesitant, go for it. Dream big.